You see other people making money online and you think, why not me? You're putting in the time, you're watching the videos, maybe even trying different methods, and it's just not working. What's stopping you? The answer isn't what you think. And in this video, I'm going to show you the #1 mindset shift that will finally give you results. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to get started and grow an online business using digital marketing. So if you've been feeling stuck, spinning your wheels and trying to figure out why other people are succeeding and making money online, but you're just stuck spinning your wheels, well, in this video, we're going to go over that because you're not alone. Because you see, the truth is, making money online, it isn't just about having the right strategy. It's about overcoming the biggest obstacles that are keeping people stuck. Analysis, paralysis, and the fear of failure, a lot has to do with your mind, your mindset. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can shift your mindset so you can take action with confidence and start seeing progress and results. By the end of this video, you're going to see and you're going to know what separates those that are winners and those that just remain stuck. Also, make sure that you smash that like button. Drop me a comment down below and let me know if you've ever felt stuck. If I'm describing something, that you've been going through and you felt that, place of being stuck, comment down below and let me know. I'm curious. I'm interested to know. All right. And if you like videos that are like this, that teach you about digital marketing and digital products and, how to get things happening as for beginners, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this in the future because I got more of them coming out. But let's get started here right away. Let's start off with #1. Step #1, overcome analysis paralysis. Yeah, one of the biggest reasons why people are stuck or they just remain stuck is they just get overwhelmed and then just keep overthinking things, right? You got to stop overthinking. Really, stop overthinking everything. I mean, you probably felt this, right? We've all done this, right? You're kind of confused. You're trying to figure out what to do. You just spent hours and hours of just watching over and over, YouTube videos. So I got to learn this. I got to learn that. I got to figure this out. And you just spend so much time just watching videos and videos and videos over and over and over again. You know what I mean? You're researching and trying to find the best way, the perfect way to actually get things done, to figure it all out, right? You spend all your time just researching and trying to figure things out. It's called analysis paralysis is really what it's called. And then what does it lead to? It just leads to like too much information. Too much information overload now. Now you're overloaded with all that information. And then all that information, it leads to what? Not taking action because you got too much information to take action with. Especially if you're like me. ADHD, all kinds of information, all kinds of overload. You got all kinds of different directions to go. And now you're like, oh, whatever, man. Like, screw it. I can't go down any of these paths now. You can't do nothing. And then you're stuck in executive paralysis. You know what I'm saying? If you can relate at all to that, hey, if you can relate to that, comment down below and let me know, right? I've been there so often. That's why, I create all these lists and everything I got to do, all kinds of stuff without any direction. And then I'm just stuck, stuck. I can't take action. But I tell you what, this is key. Every successful person, everyone that's really accomplished, and gone so far ahead, and gotten things done and succeeded in their business and everything that they've been doing is because #1, their first step, they get started, they just take action and they go for it. All right? They just take action and they go for it and they work it out as they go for the most part. Just take action. Get started. That's what you need to do is get started. You don't need to have 100% of the answers. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just have some of it. You just got an idea. And you just start going. You know what I mean? You just move forward. Once you're in action, once you're in motion, then you'll see how things work. But you got to take that first step of action and just get started. Here's some action that you can take right now. Commit to this. Write this down, okay? Action step. It's called the 72. It's the rule 72. The rule 72. The rule, the 72-hour rule. Okay. How does it work? What do I mean by this? What you do is you commit to when you're learning something, when you learn something that you're going to take action on, you got to commit to this. You learn something, You're going to, you decide that you're going to apply it. You commit to applying it and taking action within 72 hours. It must be done. You must take action. Quit putting it off for the whole week and for the next week. Okay, on Monday, next Monday, it's Tuesday. Well, by Monday, I'm going to have all this preparation done and then I'll be able to do. No. I said 72 hours. Take action on it. That's what you need to do. Make sense? All right, step number 2, reframe your fear of failure. Reframe your fear of failure. Most people don't get started also because they have a fear of failing. They don't want to get it wrong. Like I said, that's what also keeps people in analysis paralysis, because they want to get things perfect. So they keep on studying, right? Well, it's the same thing of having a fear, not exactly the same thing, but I mean, it also leads into that fear of failure. You're afraid of getting it wrong. You're afraid of failing. Okay. You're afraid of failing. So you can't get started because you have that fear, right? You have to be determined. You have to believe, you have to understand that you're going to make mistakes. You're going to fail. In fact, you need to, there's also a saying, where did I learn this one? Who said it? You got to fail forward. One of the books there, fail forward. You look forward to failing. Just fail, and fail fast. Try to fail as many times as you possibly can and do it quickly, because the more times you fail and the faster you fail, the quicker you're going to get to that success, the quicker you're going to succeed if that's what you continue to do. You know what I mean? So fail fast and fail a lot, and then eventually you'll become successful, right? So action step. Instead of thinking, well, what if it doesn't work? What if it fails? What if I get it wrong? Just think to yourself, just say to yourself, what if it does? Well, what if it doesn't work? Well, what if it does? What if I get it wrong? What if you get it right? You know what I'm saying? And then what if I fail? What if you succeed? You know, just keep going. All right. You know what? I got to get a bunch of no's. I got to get a bunch of failures in. I got to get my reps in and just keep pushing forward. So do this, right? When you're working on something, especially if it's something new, set your objective to just go for a whole bunch of no's, go for a whole bunch of failures, get it all wrong, get it wrong. You see, even like this with creating videos, all right, you're going to have to get a lot of videos out there, get it wrong a lot, get it wrong. And then eventually you start to get it more right. Okay. That's how you do it. I remember when I first started, I did like door-to-door sales, and I even knocked on doors, man, especially when I never did that before. Knock, you know, what am I doing? I knew that after, I went for a lot of no's, but eventually you get your numbers, and then all you got to do is keep going for no's. And then eventually you're going to get your yeses. People want to mark down how many yeses they get, how many sales you get, or how many no's, how many yeses you get. Who cares? Mark out all your no's. I got a book right over here. I should have grabbed it. It's called Go for No. Go for No. How many no's do you got? So that's your tracking. How many no's do I got to get before I make $1,000 or whatever, right? My sales, how many no's, right? That's what you want to do. Forget the fear of failure. What if? What if it works? What if it doesn't? What if it does? What if I fail? What if I succeed, right? So keep that in mind. Okay, step number 3, get the right roadmap. Stop guessing. One of the things that keeps people back is they just keep on guessing. You don't have the right blueprint. You don't have the right roadmap. You don't know the road. You don't know the direction. You don't know the strategy. You're not going. So yes, strategy is not everything, but you do need to have some sort of a strategy. You need to know a little bit of what you're doing. You can't go and if you're a baker, you can't bake a cake without knowing what you're doing, right? Okay. You need to be able to have some sort of recipe. You need to have some sort of directions. Okay. If you don't know where you're going, you're not going to know how to get there. So you need to have a roadmap of some sort. All right. But you can't spend all day or all week and all month trying to figure out where you're going to go. Okay. But you need a roadmap. And a lot of the most successful people, that's why franchise, you guys, that's why franchises are so successful. Okay. Because a person can actually go and get a franchise, for example, and pick it and run with it because it's already all figured out. Take McDonald's. For example. Do you understand that McDonald's is run by teenagers? How the heck could a fast food chain restaurant be run by teenagers? Or 21-year-olds, whatever. You know what I mean? Or usually teenagers, right? Why? Because they just push a button. Boop, boop. You ever asked to change something on your menu nowadays with a fast food restaurant? I don't have a button for that. I can't do that because it's all run by pushing a button. Somebody figured it out. They wrote the manual. They wrote the blueprint. They gave the roadmap, says, here's what you do. That's why it's also so expensive to buy a McDonald's and get a franchise, because it's worth it, because you get that, you plug it in and you go. Plug and play. Business in a box type of thing, right? Easy to follow. Some of the most successful people, business people that want to get started like that, they just find a roadmap. They follow something that's already proven. They don't go out there and reinvent everything. Okay. So that's your cue, man, right there. What's your action step on this? You need my marketing bundle. Absolutely. Comment bundle and make sure that you get all the details on the marketing bundle. Why? What's in the marketing bundle? It's your roadmap. You've got the social media playbook. It's going to give you a 90-day content plan. It's going to give you 100+ hooks that you could use. It's going to give you 90 days of content ideas, and it doesn't matter what niche that you're in. These will work for any niche, right? The way these ideas are laid out for you. 90 days of content. You're no questioning trying to figure out what you got to do. Follow the blueprint. Follow the roadmap. You know what I'm saying? Follow the roadmap. Follow the blueprint that's already step-by-step guide laid out for you. It's got the ChatGPT AI playbook. You'll know how to use AI. You know how to use AI to create all the content now too. All the prompts to use and how to create prompts and how to use AI, how to use a ChatGPT. It's got the social media planner so you can plan everything, and you'll have a plan. You'll be able to put your plan down on paper and plan your action and take action on your plan. That's what you're going to be able to do. You don't know what to create. You don't know what your product is. All that. You're going to learn how to create your digital products. You're going to learn all of that, how to monetize your skills, how to turn your passions into profit with how to monetize your skills, the whole roadmap on how to do that. Yeah, you need a marketing bundle, absolutely. So comment bundle, I'll make sure that you get all the details on that marketing bundle. And the last step here, step number 4, take imperfect action, which will lead to momentum. Build the momentum with imperfect action. Just get started. Go for it. Move forward. Success builds on momentum, movement, not on perfection. Most people wait until they're ready, before they really get started, like I said, but that's not how it works. You'll never feel fully ready. So you just need to take action. You just need to get started and move forward. You hear me on this? The best way to build confidence with yourself is to take action and just get going. Get started, move forward, momentum. Keep going, moving forward with things. It'll build confidence. It'll build more trust in yourself, which is what confidence is. And you feel better all around, and it'll end up working out for you that way. Action step, just set a 7-day action, 7-day commitment. Set a 7-day plan for yourself and to move forward within that first 72 hours. Take action on that, move forward. All right, cool. Makes sense. You get it? Comment bundle. I'll get you over the details on the marketing bundle so that you know how to take action. You got the roadmap for all of this. And with all that being said, stop overthinking it. Just get started. Get going. If you found any value in this content, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you thought about this content here. If you really enjoyed it, if you found value in it at all. All right. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you click subscribe for more videos that are like this in the future. In the meantime, right about here, I believe YouTube's recommending this next video for you, saying head on over there, check it out. I'll be there. So see you there. Bye.